If you're looking to buy or sell your home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they're going to be the ones that are going to take care of you, and they're going to make you help you find your dream home. And of course, we always have with us Joe Coleman, and you have an amazing home to tell us about today.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a beautiful property. It's 12325 North 100th, and it's just true turnkey elegance. You have brand new 4 AC units, a brand new roof, all brand new water heaters, brand new windows, flooring, and one of the best kitchens I've seen in years. It's just truly a magnificent property. You can just walk into it, move your stuff in, and you're set to go.
Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing. And what area is this located?
This is at Cactus and 100th, so it's in a prime
great
area. You're close to freeway, shopping, everything. It's just an ideal location, and with everything being brand new, you can just, like I said, move in and you're set to go.
Oh, there's going to be a lot of people jumping on that one. I mean, that one is going to be another one that's going to go pretty fast. And once again, if that one goes before someone can get it, they can just give you a call and you're going to help them find their dream home anyway.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of pre-market inventory in the area, so if you just want to stop into the open house, which is today, just stop in and that agent there will be able to direct you to a lot of properties in the area we have coming to market.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you.